Good afternoon. This module is going to cover automatic emails that are generated and sent by the iGo360 software automatically. This is a very powerful feature to help maintain continuous communication with your members automatically. Let's get right into it. We'll show you how it's done. This is all controlled through and managed through the OE level. So this requires an owner or manager level password to the OE level that will allow you to edit these settings. And here is the OE dashboard that you will access to do this. From here, you select the Settings tab, and then you go to Email Notification. These are the automatically generated emails. Let's just click here, and this will give you a list of everything that's sent. These emails are very self-explanatory in terms of the title and the description. The title is the subject line that will appear in the email that your member receives, and the description here states when the email is sent. I highly recommend that one of the very first things you do is to review these emails to make sure that the text in them matches what you want to say for your club. Sometimes this text is written rather generically, and it may not be something that you want to do. Occasionally, when these clubs are originally set up for you, all of these emails will be inactivated so that no emails are generated to your members before you've had an opportunity to review them. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of these so you can get an idea of what happens, and we'll start with this. It's a welcome email, and it makes pretty self-explanatory. You hover over, click on this, and it will tell you this email will send to a member automatically when the member is joined. That is when that member is entered into your club. And this is when portal's disabled, and so there's two different welcome emails, one for when portal is enabled and one for when portal is disabled. Portal is a member portal you can set up where members can access and join online. Most people have portal disabled until they get very comfortable with the software and turn it on, so yours is probably disabled at this point. Anyway, to take a look at it, you just simply click the edit button, and this will pull up the text of the email. You can change regarding the subject line here, we're going to add an exclamation point to make sure the member is excited that they joined. And here's the text. You'll see that it's just a generic text about thanking them for joining, and you can edit this text to say whatever you want. Importantly, there are certain data fields the software will grab and insert to more personalize the email. So, for example, here, hello bracket first name, takes this data field right here and inserts it into this email. And that means if your member's name is Bob, it'll say, hello, Bob, thank you for joining, and then it'll say, be well, and include your signature line here, which you defined at your club level already. So the text that will contain your address, phone number, website, anything else, maybe your logo, you can have that in here, and then you're good to go. To make it active or inactive, you just simply check the active box here. We're going to leave this one active. Another cool feature about this, and this is true with all the different email, you'll see this edit box in a few other places in the program, is it gives you the opportunity to do some, you can change the font, you can change bold and underline, you can zoom in, you can change some colors. More importantly, you can insert an image. And so in this case, what we can do is you can upload any images or logo files to insert in there. Here's one that we have set up here. We can insert the toucan, and you see that one really doesn't work for this particular email, so we'll delete that out of there and won't save it. But your logo in the right size format will insert right in here and make that more branding for your club and your emails. When you're finished, you simply click Save, and you're good to go. That's how you go through and manage these emails. I got to stress for you, it's really important to go through these the very first time or within the first week of using the software to make sure you spent 10 minutes reviewing the text of these emails, make sure you understand when they send, and make sure that text is edited how you like it. Again, if you have any questions, by all means, just give us a call. We'd be happy to help out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.